Do smoothies just leave you feeling more hungry? Because they do me. But I've learned this one ingredient can change your smoothie and help you stay satisfied for hours. Stay tuned. The ingredients for this vanilla vegan protein shake are half of a frozen banana. You could use fresh if you prefer, plus some ice. We're also going to add a teaspoon of flax seeds, half a cup of vegan yogurt. I'm using soy yogurt. I have a recipe to make it in the Instant Pot. I'm going to link it below. We're also adding a teaspoon of chia seeds, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a cup of soy milk for extra protein. You can use your favorite plant-based milk. And our secret ingredient, half a cup of white beans. You could use garbanzo, navy, cannellini, whatever your favorites are. We're going to add all of those ingredients into the blender, blend it, let it get thick and creamy. You could let it set for a few minutes if you prefer, and allow those seeds and beans to do their magic and make this a thick, creamy, delicious shake. Those beans are not going to give it any flavor. It's just going to make it thick and protein-packed, great fiber, and keep you satisfied for hours. Enjoy! So if you loved that smoothie and adding beans to your smoothie is intriguing to you, have you ever tried edible cookie dough? Yeah, it's made from garbanzo beans. So check out that recipe. I'm going to link it in the description below and here.